To believe what the eyes cannot see, to trust when you cannot see the way, to keep on hoping, to keep on dreaming even when your way seems blocked. Hope is the place where you want to go. Hope is the feeling that carries you through. And hope is the future for me and for you. Our vision and perspective has the only role to play when it comes to Chardi Kala. As it is very wisely said, नजर बदलो नज़ारे अपने आप बदल जाएंगे. The hope is that with people staying at home and social distancing being followed as a rule will help prevent the further spread of coronavirus. Some countries like China, America and Italy fail to recognize the magnitude of the threat posed by COVID-19. India, being a developing country with a population of 1326 million, has been very lucky to act upon the situation on time. India has emerged to be unique of all the countries on the earth, having the combined love and support of most of the democrats and is capable of winning any complex battle. Lighting diyas and candles evoked a feeling of positivity and hope in people's minds, a hope of strength, a hope of victory, a hope of ascendancy. This has had a positive side. Nature has been documented reclaiming its rightful space on the planet. The cleaner water in the canals, the reduced air pollution, the earth's seismic noise being reduced. There were three types of people before the coronavirus outbreak: those who were extremely conscious, moderately conscious, and ignorant about germs. Now the level of each category has risen, and it is difficult to find the third type of folks now. We hope that everyone would become a conscious democratic citizen. In the post-pandemic world, technology will become as ubiquitous as it is now. It has made us realize the potential of individualized learning and offers the prospect of radically changing a system that frankly has not changed over the past 300 odd years. In the coming years, there is a hope that India would be seen as a super tech country, and students would love to explore their higher potentials in India. The online world of contactless commerce can bolster in many ways. Now, the Indian diaspora would be seen in terms of number. Brain drain will get converted into brain gain because India has shown how it can get united during tough times and come up with such strategies which no other country could. All who said, "What is here in India?" would say, "Everything is there in India." So let us get going to win this match as Team India.